Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create posts on your Reddit community. If you have just created a Reddit community and you wish to share your first post, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to find your community, and you can find it on this sidebar. If you don't see this sidebar, you should see these lines. You can expand navigation to see your community. To find your community, it should be under recent here if you had just created your community recently, or if you don't have one, you can go to start community here to create a post. So I already have my community here. If I go also to manage communities, I will be able to see my community. Now just click on your community and this will take you to the post where you can now start sharing or creating your posts. Now here we want to create our first post, so just click on create post and then give your post a title and then a body. So I've just asked this question: which AI platform is great for coding? And the title is testing AI. Here, if you want to attach anything on your post, you can as well do so. You can add links as well as quotes if you wish, and you can also modify your headings. Once you're done, now you can save your post as draft to publish it later, or if you just want to post straight away, just click on post here. And by doing so, now you'll have created your first post on your community. So that's how you can create posts on your Reddit community. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.